So Motorola is on a launch spree right now in India, and the brand recently launched Moto G71, which is a mid-range 5G phone. Now the company is preparing to launch an Android tablet. If you remember last year as well, Motorola launched an Android tablet in India named the Moto Tab G20, and that was a budget tablet priced at 11,000 rupees with specifications such as Helio P22T chipset, a 720p display and a 5100 mAh battery. The next tablet that the company is going to launch is named the Moto Tab G70. So just from the name, you can get the idea that it is going to be a big upgrade over the Tab G20. Speaking of the launch date, the Tab G70 is launching in India on the 18th of this month during the Flipkart sale. The landing page of the tablet is already live on Flipkart and it reveals some key specifications. Now before jumping into the design and the specs, it is worth mentioning that the Moto Tab G70 is just a rebranded Lenovo Tab P11 Plus that is already available in the US. There is no change in the design or the specifications. Moreover, today it also launched in the Brazilian market. Starting with the design, the Moto Tab G70 has an aluminum build and there is a dual tone design on the back. The tablet has quad speakers with Dolby Atmos, but no 3.5mm headphone jack. The tablet also has pogo pins on the side, so those can be used to attach some accessories like a keyboard. As far as the specifications are concerned, we are looking at a big 11-inch LCD on the front and it is a 2K panel. Now 2K here does not mean a Quad HD resolution as in case of smartphones. Instead, it means a resolution of 2000 into 1200 pixels. The panel has a brightness of 400 nits and also the tablet has Widevine L1 certification, so you can watch HD content on it from Netflix or Amazon. Speaking of the performance, the Moto Tab G70 has the MediaTek Helio G90T chipset, and as we know, it is quite a powerful chipset. There is 64GB of expandable storage and the tablet comes with at least 4GB of RAM. The battery size is 7700 mAh and there is also 20W fast charging. And finally, the Moto Tab G70 has a 13 megapixel camera on the back and an 8 megapixel camera on the front. Well, right now we do not know at what price the Tab G70 is going to launch in India, but looking at these specifications, it will be great if it comes under Rs 20,000 in India. In the US, the Lenovo Tab P11 Plus starts at $260, which translates to around 19,000 rupees. If it comes at a similar price in the Indian market, then it will be competing with the likes of Realme Pad, the recently launched Galaxy Tab A8, the Nokia Tab T20, etc. Anyways, what do you think should be the price of this tablet? Do let me know your opinions in the comment section below, and as always, I'll catch you in the next one.